So decimal, the word decimal originates from the Latin word decem, D-E-C-E-M, which means tenth. Understood? Do you know that decimal number system was first used in India and was taken up by the Arabs and introduced in Europe later? Decimal number system was first used in India. And note down that a decimal number can also be called as decimal fraction. Understood? Now we will study about this decimal place value chart. So see how we can make this decimal place value chart. You already know that whole number part, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now here it is a decimal point, and from here decimal part has been started. After decimal there is tenth. It is 1 upon 10. And then hundredth. Hundredth. D-T-H-S. So what is the spelling? H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H-S. Hundredth. 1 upon 100. And thousandth. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-T-H-S. 1 upon 1000. And then 10,000ths. 1 upon 10,000. Now look here beta, what is it? Multiply by 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 10. It means when we are moving from right to left, means from smaller to bigger, in each place we are multiplying by 10. 10,000 multiplied by 10 will give you 1,000. 1,000 multiplied by 10 will give you 100. So when we are moving from right to left, we are multiplying by 10 in each step, right? And when we are moving from left to right, in each step there is division by 10. You know that if we are looking from here, that's it, tens. Tens means 10. 10 divided by 10, we are moving to right. 10 divided by 10 will give you the ones. Ones divided by 10 will give you tenth. Then 10th place 1 upon 10 divided by 10 will give you the value 1 upon 100. That is 100th. Then 1 upon 100 divided by 10. Then we will reach to 1000th. 1 upon 1000. Okay. Here it is. Hundredths. Hundredth. Thousands. Thousandths. Understood? Now, like decimal fractions, two or more decimal fractions are called like decimals or like decimal fractions if they have equal number of decimal places. If the decimal numbers have the equal number of decimal places, then they are known as like decimal fractions. For example, 0.43 and 10.41. How we are reading beta? After decimal we will read single digit. 0.43, 10.41. So these are like decimals having two decimal places after the decimal. After decimal 1 and 2, two decimal places. After decimal 1 and 2, two decimal places. So these are the examples of like decimals. Unlike decimal fractions, two or more decimal fractions are called unlike decimals if they have different number of decimal places. If the decimal places are of different number, then these are the unlike decimals. Look here, 8.4, 8.41, 8.412. So after decimal there is one place, after decimal 2 places, after decimal 3 places. So these are unlike decimal fractions. So after understanding the place value chart and like and unlike decimals, now we will start our exercise 1A. Exercise 1A, your first question is write the following as decimals. A part 7/10. Now from here we can understand that is 7/10. 10th after decimal it is the first place. So what was our place value chart? If we are talking about whole number parts, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then If you are talking about decimal parts, then decimal, tenth, hundredth, thousandth, then next 10,000. So 7/10th. Here it is 10th. We will put here 7. Decimal will be at its own place. And ones place I have written here, means for whole number part I have written here 0. So our answer will become 0.7, or you can say 0.7. B part, 2300th. 23. 2, 2300th. 2 is at 10th place and 3 is at 100th place. Decimal 2, 3. So our answer will become 0.23. If you are writing it decimal 23, that is also correct. Next is 5 and 2700th. 5. 5 is 5 ones. 2700th, that is decimal 27. So how we will write down 5.27. Understood? D part, 4 and 37,000. 4. 4 ones, 37,000. That is decimal 037. We can understand it like this. So look at 4 and 37,000. That is 37 upon 1000. Now 37 is numerator and denominator 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. And we know how to write down now. It is decimal 037. 3 zeros are there now. So 1, 2, third place we are going to write here 0. If you want, you can put 1 0 also here. Right? Now here we will write down decimal. That is 4 and decimal 037. And 4 and decimal 037, when we are adding these two or when we are combining these two, it will become 4.037. That is 4 and 37,000. 10th place contains 0, 100th place 3 and 1000th place 7. E part, 692,000. 1000 means 1000 will be in the denominator. 692 upon 1000, that is decimal 692 or 0.692. 10th place there will be 6, 100th place 9 and 1000th place 2. If you want, you can write down this in the form of table also. Now question number 2, write in expanded form. एक्सपैंड मीन्स टू ओपन. हमें इन सारे नंबर्स को इनके प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ लिखना है. 3479 decimal 105. So if we are writing the places, whole number part is 3479. So ones, tens, 100,000, then decimal 10th, 100th, 1000th. So now we have written the given number. 3, if we are writing in expanded form, 3 has a place value 3000, 4 has 400, 7 tens, 9 has the value 9 ones, 1, it is 1/10th, that is decimal 1, 0 100th, decimal 00, you can leave this, 5000th, decimal 005. So in expanded form, we will write down 3000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 9 plus decimal 1 plus decimal 00 plus decimal 005. If you want, you can write down it 3000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 9 plus 1 upon 10. 10th after decimal. 10th is here, so it is 1 upon 10. So you can write down 1 upon 10. Here 0 upon 100 and here 5 upon 1000. In fraction form also you can write down. B part, 7833 decimal 45. So in expanded form it will become 7000 plus 800 plus 3 tens, that is 30, plus 3 ones, that is 3, plus decimal 4 plus decimal 05. 100th, 500, that is decimal 05. Understood? Next, C part, 21 decimal 1097. Don't read it 1097. After decimal, you have to read single digit. So 21, that is 2 tens, 1 ones, that is 20 plus 1, plus decimal 1, plus decimal 00, plus decimal 009, plus decimal 0007. 7 के प्लेस वैल्यू लिख रहे हैं ना, तो 7 अपने प्लेस पर रहेगा, रिमेनिंग ऑल विल बिकम 0. Right? Now our next question is question number 3. Write as decimal fractions. So we have to write down now in the form of decimal fractions. A part is here 8 thousands plus 8 ones plus 3 tens plus 9 hundreds. So we have to write down the places first. Ones, tens, 100,000 whole number part, then decimal, 10th, 100,000 decimal part, right? Now A part, 8,000. Below 1,000 you will write down 8. 8 ones. Ones is here, you will write here 8 here. So 100, 0, tens. जहाँ पर हमारे पास कोई डिजिट नहीं है, we are going to write down 0. 3 tenth. Below 10th you will write down 3. 900th. Below 100th you will write down 9. So our number will become 8,000. 8 decimal 39. Right? Next is 4,000 plus 7 ones plus 5 tens plus 600. 4,000. Below 1,000 we will write down 4. 7 ones. Below ones we will write down 7, and below this 100 and tens we are going to write down zeros. Then 5 tenth. Below 10th we are going to write down the digit 5. 600th. Below 100 there is 6. So the number is 4007 decimal 56. C part, 600ths plus 9 tens plus 8 tens plus 4,000th. 600. So below 100 we will write down 6. 9 tens. Below tens we will write down 9. Okay. And for ones place nothing is there, so we will write down 0. Then 8 tenth. Below 10th 8. 4,000th. 1000th is here, so below 1000 we will write down 4, and below 100th 0. So 690 decimal 804. Now our question number 4 is there. Change the following into like decimals. Like decimals means after decimal we have to make the equal number of digits. After decimal places should be same. So A part 0 decimal 91, 10 decimal 819, 89 decimal 637, 142 decimal 8. So first of all you have to check down that where after decimal we have maximum number of digits. 912, 819, 3, 637, 3 and 81. So maximum are 3. तो हमें 3 places तक अपने number को equal करना है. So our answer will become 0.91 and put 1 0. Zeros will be written outside only. Don't insert any 0 between the given numbers. Right? If you are writing 0 here 901, then it is wrong. Okay. Next is 10 decimal 819, 89 decimal 637, 142 decimal 8. Now after 8 we will put 2 zeros. Now look here, after decimal 1 2 3 places, after decimal 1 2 3 places, after decimal 1 2 3 places, and after decimal 1 2 3 places. Decimal के बाद में चेक करने आपको, whole number part नहीं, decimal parts, right? Now B part 12 decimal 01, 180 decimal 3, 1446 decimal 105, 180 decimal 19. So maximum are there 3 places. 105. So we will start from our first number, that is 12.01. It will become decimal 010. 180.3. 180.3 will be written as 180.300. बेटा ये नंबर और ये नंबर सेम है, कोई चेंज नहीं है. वी आर राइटिंग ओनली द जीरो आउटसाइड. 3 10th प्लेस पे था और अभी भी 3 10th प्लेस पे है. वी हैव नॉट डन एनी चेंज. अंडरस्टूड? ओनली वी आर मेकिंग दिस लाइक डेसिमल्स. Next is 1446.105 and the last is 180.190 will be written. Right? Don't write here 180.019. No. At 10th place 1 is given. So in our answer also on 10th place 1 should be there. Clear? Now let's move to our next question, question number 5. Find the greater fraction. We have to tell the greater fraction. A part 162.19 and 126.91. So greater fraction, first of all we will check the whole number part. If whole number part is same, then we will check the decimal part. So look here, 162, 126. Definitely 162 whole number part जिसका बड़ा है वो number बड़ा होगा. So our answer will become 162.19. Right? Now see the next part, 293.82 and 293.62. Now see whole number part 293, 293. Same. Now let's check our 10th place. After decimal, we are getting 10th place, 8 and 6. Greater is 8. So the greater fraction will become decimal fraction 293.82. But actually the question is given in your book, find the greater fraction. But when you will solve it in your practice, now you write here find the greater decimal fraction. Okay. These are basically decimal numbers. Now question number 6. Write the following in ascending order using greater sign and descending order, ascending order using less sign and descending order using greater sign. A part 4.926, 18.324, 18.428, 18.528. First of all, we have to arrange in ascending order, means smaller to bigger. So look here, whole number part, first of all we will check 4, 18, 18, 18. 4 is the smallest one. So it will come on the first place, 4.926. Then next, 18, 18, 18 are same. Now we will check 10th place, 3, 4, 5. So 3 will be written first. Okay. So after 4.926, next number will become 18.324. The next will be 18.428 because now 10th place is containing 4 and 5. 4 will be written first in ascending order. And then last it will be 18.528. So our ascending order will become 4.926 is less than 18.324 and 18.324 is less than 18.428 and 18.428 is less than 18.528. Now descending order for the same part. Descending order, bigger to smaller. So the bigger one is, we will take reverse of this. 18.528 is greater than 18.428 and 18.428 is greater than 18.324 and 18.324 is greater than 4.926. Understood? Now B part, 72.09, 72.19, 72.91, 72.17, 72.81. So 72 means whole number part is same in all. So we have to check the decimal part now. For ascending order, smaller to bigger. Decimal 0, decimal 1, decimal 9, decimal 1, decimal 8. So smaller one is decimal 0. So our first number will become 72.09 in ascending order. After that 72.17. The next will be 72.19. Then 72.81. 8 will be written first. After that 9 will come now. Then 72.9. So our ascending order will become 72.09 is less than 72.17. 72.17 is less than 72.19. And 72.19 is less than 72.81. 72.81 is less than 72.91. Right? And in descending order, we will write down reverse of that. 72.91 is greater than 72.81, decimal 81, not 81. 72.81 is greater than 72.19. 72.19 is greater than 72.17. And 72.17 is greater than 72.09. If you want, you can put the numbering here. According to ascending order, first of all, put the numbering, then write down. After that, if the question is same, then you will take reverse of that. If the question is different, then go to the next question and put the numbering there.